If your Bosch Serie washing machine shows a care message on the display, it usually indicates that the appliance needs basic maintenance rather than a serious fault. This alert typically appears after many wash cycles to remind users to clean internal components, such as the drum, detergent drawer, or filter. Over time, detergent residue, lint, and moisture can build up inside the washer, which may affect washing performance or create odors. Addressing the care message simply involves performing a quick cleaning cycle and resetting the notification so the machine can continue operating normally. Try these. Step 1. Remove the detergent drawer and rinse it under warm water to remove detergent buildup. Step 2. Inspect the drum and door seal for lint or residue and wipe them with a damp cloth. Step 3. Run an empty hot wash cycle or drum clean program using a washer cleaner if available. Step 4. After the cleaning cycle finishes, turn the washing machine off and wait about 30 seconds. Step 5. Restart the machine and confirm that the care message disappears from the display.